Storybook Lesson 1. Cough, cough. Max's mouth feels dry. He starts to cough.
Max, are you okay?
Asks Mia.
I hear you cough all morning.
Max keeps coughing. He cannot answer Mia. Mum takes Max to the doctor. The doctor gives Max some medicine and asks him to stay at home. Max has to stay in bed. He cannot have visitors. Max feels lonely.
Max, it's time for medicine,
says Mum. Max drinks the cough syrup. It tastes horrible. He wants something sweet. Max remembers that there is a lemon soda in the fridge. He drinks all the lemon soda. Cough, cough. Max coughs even harder now.